This is a homemade cleaner made from vinegar and water, as well as some scented oils. Vine- Vinegar's acidity is what makes it such a good cleaner. Because it's so acidic, it can counteract some icky buildups. It can clean away soap scum, hard water spots, glue left behind by stickers. It can also help get rid of red wine stains. Vinegar is also a natural disinfectant. It can also clean countertops to get rid of grease spots and degrease stovetops. It can clean windows without any streaks, and it's safe to use on stainless steel appliances. It can also neutralize odors such as pet odors. Now, to make this, you need to get an empty spray bottle, 14 ounces of vinegar, 14 ounces of water, and different scented oils. Now, it is 100% organic. There's no chemicals in this at all. So I'm going to show you how to do it now. So here's the vinegar, 14 ounces. Now the water. Now you're going to use 3 scented oils, any of your choosing. The ones we will be using are lemongrass, peppermint, and sweet orange. You will add 3 to 5 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of each. So 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you're gonna put the top on, and you're gonna shake. Shake it around enough so that way it mixes completely. Okay, there you go. Now, a demonstration is in order to show you it works. So, let it sit for a little bit. And there you go. Now, I'll also demonstrate it on this window. Now, as you can see, a lot of stains on it. And, see? No streaks, and the stain is gone. DIY Warriors is a channel you should look at to find more interesting things.